Okay, we're gonna do kai bing. This is the new way to crack the eggs. So this is the tool that we got at Amazon. Well, I did get my husband. So he said to crack the top first, just a little bit. Then you use this side like this, and you push it. There you go. Wow, clean cut. Okay, put that. Let me do one more. Show you guys again. Okay, tap. See how a little crack right there? Okay, use this side, okay? Then press. Don't press, but just cut. Like you're cutting a scissor, using a scissor to cut paper. Here you go. Let's do one more. Well, I have two more. Here. Let's do it again. Okay. There you go.
Okay. Good job, Oria.
And then let's do one more, and then we will see how Oreo. Okay.
Is that the narrow end?
Yeah.
You're supposed to hold it down so it doesn't slip.
One more. Hold on, Oreo. I hit one more. Okay. Ta-da! And now my helper over there, this is what she's gonna do after we cut the eggs. What you gonna do? What you use? Tell them what you use to.
A chopstick.
A chopstick to let it loose, right?
You just pull it out, right? Pull it by the egg white. You don't have to shake the egg. You can just pull it by the egg white, and the whole egg will come out.
Okay. So what you do again? Tell them again, Aria. So you pour like what? You hold the yellow yolk. No, the yellow.
The white.
The white
You
part.
just pull the egg white, and everything will come out.
There you go. She used a chopstick. Have your little one help you guys. Ta-da! Good job. Good job. Okay, that's how we do it. We use this new tool.